What is up, Diecasters, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And today we have another two separate Tarmac works releases for you guys, and these were actually from two different seasons, and there was a huge time gap with these two when it was released, and I was not actually interested in Tarmac other variations because I'm mainly collecting RWBs. But when it comes to Koenigsegg Agera RS, I had to go for these two color variations because Agera RS with these two color variations looks actually amazing. And so we have today the Tarmac Works Global 64 Koenigsegg Agera RS in two color variations. So while taking these two off, I'll explain you guys about these two specific models. These are actually carbon accents, which is because usually actual Koenigsegg is exposed carbon fiber, but in this also just to show that they have added a few lines and few parts where you guys can see carbon fiber throughout the car. And two surprises about these two cars variations is that you guys get a box separately for you guys to store your model, because this is actually from a blister pack. So blister packs you can actually release from behind, not like other brands. You guys can actually, they are clipped together, so you guys can actually run your fingers through the corners and remove these, and you guys have a card behind. Just take the card out, and talking about the card, you guys get the total details about the car and about the model in the behind, and you guys get another cover just for the car in order to get the car out. So it comes in a separate plastic package, and as well as the container box, which is actually plastic, not plastic, which is actually a cardboard. So a cardboard box, which is actually not much of a big thing, because as you guys can see, the inside is actually plain and it's like a normal card box. But for the look, and since we have the blister pack with us, which can be used further, probably Tarmac hasn't put in a lot of detail into this, but still it actually looks good, and nothing to complain about because they already have the blister pack ready and we can actually use it for the future as well. And let's take the other car out as well. Same procedure, you guys can just remove the clips out of the package and get the car out, and you guys have the same cardboard at the back and another extra plastic cover for the car. Surprisingly, it's very heavy considering the RWB bands, and you guys get the yellow box. So two variations, the white with the blue interior and the yellow with the black interior. Consider about the body kits, the wheels and everything are the same. The wing all looks the same except for the color code and black wheels, but two different variations, white and yellow with a touch of carbon. And talking about the two boxes, we have the white and the yellow. So let's take these two cars out. Like I said, it is surprisingly heavy, and details wise, nothing to complain about much, to be honest, because I've seen in some reviews or in some Facebook or Instagram posts which I've seen, there are different complaints about their detailing or few damages here and there. But thankfully I don't have any damages or anything in my models. And you guys can see, actually, when you talk about the plastic package, underneath the plastic package you guys get an extra set of side mirrors, which is not actually in the car. So you guys can see there are two small clips on either sides which you can actually fit in the side mirrors, so that is available. But talking about the side mirrors, it's not actually very detailed, and you guys can see it's a very plasticky side mirror, so I'm not going to fix that. But talking about this, you can actually remove the back like this. So both the cars, you can remove the back top, and you guys might have seen in actual Koenigseggs, you can raise the front and the back as well as the doors. Even the doors lift up, and but since you can't get that much of big details into these, Tarmac has produced it to a point where you guys can actually take out the rear parts. Even in the actual car you can take the rear parts out, but mainly what they do is they lift the car parts up so you guys can visibly see the car. Even if it's a technical issue or whatever, you guys can actually look into the car and see how it looks like. So for Tarmac, they have produced different removable part in order to show you guys and give you guys a good detailed model for Koenigsegg Agera RS. So there you have it guys, the Koenigsegg Agera RS, two variations. You have the white variation as well as the yellow variation. So these are the two releases from Tarmac in two different time lapse, and I was able to grab it from my local dealer. So a major shout out to my local supplier, who's Premium Diecast Haven. You guys can check out their Facebook page, and they also have their messenger group as well as a WhatsApp group to keep you guys updated if you guys are living in Sri Lanka. And also he's willing to send or courier these models to abroad as well. So there you have it guys, these are the two models for today, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news. So hope to see you guys on the next video very soon.